this is Sahil from EPR, and we are here with Mr. Shalen. He is the chairman of Icon Solar. We'll be interacting on the latest developments and technologies which Icon Solar has come up with. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Sir, if I ask a single sentence is there, Icon Solar do not only build, but it innovate. So, what are you innovating in the upcoming years? In present, what you have innovated?
Yeah, so Icon Solar is pioneer in solar module manufacturing business. We are one of the top 5 companies of the India, you can say, because we started this venture in 2014 with the latest technology, that was poly solar panels. So, as you know that the whole industry is being directed by China till date, because whatever the raw material like poly or the monoperk or the mono or Topcon cell they provide to Indian manufacturers, we use it. But we are always here with the most advanced technology.
So, this year, what you have come up?
This year, we are now with the Topcon of 620 watt, which is mostly popular in the technology wise, and commercially available. Largest module size is 620, which we are manufacturing.
So, with this technology, what are your strategy to tap the evolving market?
Of course, in all this PM Suryaghar or Kusum or mega size solar parks, people are now using only solar panel of Topcon model with 600 to 620 watt each.
So, how this new technology is impacting the overall scenario of the renewable?
The efficiency of this Topcon panel is very good. Till last year, the requirement of land for 1 megawatt was around 3.5 acres. But with this Topcon technology, now the land requirement is hardly 1.8 acre per megawatt.
Okay.
So that is the revolution, you can say.
So that's a big, advantage of this.
Yeah, very high efficient. Till last year, the maximum efficiency reached was around 18 to 19%, which is now 23 to 24%.
That's great. Yeah. So, if I ask about the capacity build-up of Icon Solar, so how you are planning to build the capacity?
See, we started with 25 megawatt in 2014, quite huge. And our presence is there in Pan India. From Kashmir to Kerala, you can find our panel. And those who believe in the best modern technology panels, they are buying this Icon for their plants.
Okay.
And we are, by the grace of God, you can say that our company is always overbooked.
One of the leading
companies. Yeah.
Okay, sir, you spoke about India. Do you have any plan for the global market also?
Of course, from this year onward, since our capacity has enhanced to 2.8 gigawatt, we'll start exporting this panel to other countries like Europe and US.
Okay. So, if I ask your message to the industry from Icon Solar, what would you say?
See, industry is confused because the raw material which is available in the market, like EVA sheet is there, back sheet is there, junction boxes are there, aluminum frames are there, cell are there. So all these components are very important. Each component of this solar panel is very important, and they should be very quality conscious.
Okay.
Otherwise, the whole market will be collapsed. China, we were buying this from the China, and China, I can say that they were maintaining the quality of this solar panel. That's why they are in the market for last 40 years. Similarly, since now there is boom in solar market in India, Indians should also be very cautious about the quality of the product, quality of the raw material.
Okay. So, for better upcoming future and better product and better capacity build-up, it's more important.
Very, very important.
Okay, sir. Nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.